see, for permutation and combination, remember combination is selection, as you can see here. Combination is just a selection, and permutation is selection, and the sequence is important, right? The formula I have already told you the combination ka formula. I have told you the permutation ka formula also. Simply, if it is 11p5, then it's going to be 11 into, as you can see, 11 into 10 into 9 into 8 into 7, like basically 5 steps down. But if it is 11c5, then 11 into 10 into whatever 7, 1 into 2 into 3 into 5, 5 down 5 up, that thing. ठीक है? See, वही फुटबॉल का मैच ले लिया, out of 11 5 needs to be selected. हाँ
So, but we can put it in the calculator also, right?
हाँ हाँ
And
obviously
allow-
definitely. मैं तो बस ऐसे ही बता रहा हूँ whenever it comes to fractions or something like that. मैंने डाला नहीं क्या वो क्वेश्चन? नहीं नहीं इसमें, हाँ कॉम्बिनेशन में, सॉरी इसमें डाला हुआ है.
It's like it's very normal question and it has a lot of marks. And if we have to show the working, we have to use the formula, or we just use that kind of that.
कोई नहीं पूछने वाला ऐसा क्वेश्चन. इट्स फाइन, यू हैव टू यूज दिस 11p5 whatever you want. They are asking you answers only. Okay. हाँ, worst case nc2 something like that will be there. So for that also I told you just use n into n minus 1 upon 1 into 2. कोई n factorial n minus r factorial इतना difficult मत करो. Okay. So where were we? Huh. So selection is basically 11 out of 5 we need to do it. We need to select it. Who will kick? But who will kick first for penalties? That would be permutation. Okay. Again, people get confused. Huh? Captain, vice captain. If I want to select 2 people out of 11, so it's going to be 11c2. But if I want to select captain and vice captain, Dream 11 team, so 11p2 it's going to be. Right, selection come hai, but when it comes to permutation it's going to be more like who will be the captain, who will be the vice captain, that way. Always remember ncr is smaller and npr is greater, always, because of that r factorial thing. And with respect to the condition, simple hai, whenever it is and condition, whenever it's a compulsory condition you will multiply. Whenever it's an or condition, whenever you will you will get cases, that time it's going to be an or condition, we are going to add it. Okay. Now if I talk about the question, क्यों बनाया notes, just a second. Now if I talk about this permutation and combination, very simple question, as you can see. Sorry. 5-digit code is to be formed, letter, number, symbol, whatever it is. Obviously whenever we have to find a code, that time it's going to be permutation, because the sequence matter 501 is not 105, that way. No character can be repeated, whatever, there are no restrictions, simply count it. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 whatever, 6 11 14. So it's going to be 14 p. कितना लेटर का बनाएगा? 5-digit code. हाँ, so 14p5, simple. Get the answer, आ जाएगा. ठीक है. The code
240
हो गया, ठीक है. The code starts with a symbol. ठीक है. The code starts with a symbol followed by 2 letters and 2 numbers. So basically, as you can see, starts with a symbol S, let's say, then 2 letters, letter, then 2 numbers, number. Now see, it's a and condition, it's a compulsory condition. That first one I want kya tha, symbol. So how many symbols are there? See, 3 symbols. So 3p1, 2 letters. So out of 5 letters we are selecting 2, so it's going to be 5p2. And 6 numbers, so out of 6 we are selecting p2. That's your compulsory condition, done. The first 2 characters are numbers, and no number appears in the code. The first 2 characters are numbers, and then 1 2 3 कुछ भी चलेगा. So these are numbers, बाकी rest is anything. So for the numbers it's going to be what? Number कितना है? 6 है. So it's going to be 6p2 multiplied by, here I can put anything I want, be it letters or एक second, character and no other no other number. See, if they would have asked you numbers can appear again, so we would have counted numbers as well, but here no other number, so that's why क्या है? 1 2 3 4 5 8 8p3. हाँ, कौन बोला था 14p3?
So if they would have said that numbers can appear again, then we would take 2 less numbers, right?
Yes, then it's gonna be, देन 12p2 हो जाएगा 12p3. सिंपल है ना. Second one, combination. Football club has 30 player in how many different ways. हाँ, captain and a vice captain be selected at random from these players. जानबूझ के दिया because हमेशा everybody will do 30c2 but it's not 30c2, it is 30p2. Why? Sequence is important. पहला कौन है captain, दूसरा vice captain, ऐसा है ना. A team of 11 teachers is to be chosen from 2 mathematics. वो किया हुआ है, बहुत बार किया हुआ है, सेम थिंग है, बट स्टिल 2 मैथमेटिक्स, 5 कंप्यूटर्स एंड 9 साइंस टीचर्स. ठीक है, पहला वाला तो ठीक है. द टीम मस्ट हैव एग्जैक्टली 1 मैथमेटिक्स टीचर. सो एक ही मैथमेटिक्स टीचर, सो इट्स गोना बी 2c1. कंपलसरी कंडीशन है, राइट. बाकी रेस्ट ऑफ द थिंग आई कैन चूज एनी थिंग. सो 14 में से वी हैव टू सिलेक्ट 10. सो 14c10. डन. Now the team must have exactly 1 mathematics teacher and at least 4 computers teacher. Look at the marks. 4 mark का है, definitely cases will be there. So 1 mathematics teacher and at least 4 computer teachers. So mathematics तो एक fixed है. So it's gonna be 2c1. बाकी 4 computing teachers. So at least 4 means what? So ठीक है, we can write 1m 4 computer एंड कितने बच्चे फिर साइंस वाले 6 साइंस. और इट कुड बी 1 मैथ 5 कंप्यूटर. कितने बच्चे साइंस वाले 5 साइंस. 6 कंप्यूटर्स वाले है क्या, नहीं है ना, ओनली 5 आर दैट. सो दीज आर द 2 केसेस यू विल फाउंड. फॉर मैथमेटिक्स इज गोना बी 2c1 इंटू 4 कंप्यूटर कितने 5c4 इंटू साइंस कितने में से 9 में से, सो 9c6. एंड फ्रॉम हियर इट्स गोना बी 2c1 इंटू 5c5 into 9c5. The thing is this is an optional condition, so we'll just add it in between. Easier. Huh?
It's and
This is and but at least 4 means what? Optional. Either 4 are fine, I mean this 4 is fine, or this 5 are fine. That's why it's optional.
Yeah.
Correct. Easy. Chalo next. हाँ, again I have given you this.
I'm confused with the
See here, see there what they're asking, it's 4 computing teachers, right? At least 4 computing teachers. We are selecting 11, right? है ना. And they said 1 mathematics teacher, so this is same throughout, right? 2c1 correct. Now the thing is, the only thing is they are saying at least 4 computing teachers. That means what? There could be 4 computing teachers or there could be 5 computing teachers. So either it's going to be 5c4 or it's going to be 5c5. The thing is,
So in total, there are 5 computing teachers. In total.
yes, out of 5 I have to select 4 or out of 5 I have to select 5. That.
Got it.
That's it. So now see, acha, this is another question which I really like, where they have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 whatever these digits, each digit maybe, or there are no restrictions, simply 9 kitna 5 digit code, so 9 p5, sorry, the code is divisible by 5. Okay, the code is divisible by 5, so that means what? 1 2 3 4 5. So last digit would be either 5 ही रहेगा, there is no other way, there is no 0. So बाकी 5, it's a compulsory condition. और हाँ, just a second. Now fine. That's it. 8 नहीं 8p4, that's it. 5p1 नहीं है, this is 1p1 actually, because 5 number है वो, it's not 5 terms. Okay, 8p4 done. The code is even 3 marks, 2 cases, 100%. The code is
Why are we doing 1p1? Why will it not be 1p1?
because वैसे तो doesn't matter, at the end of the day it's just 1, but since arrangement is important, that's why I'm just putting p, otherwise it doesn't matter. Okay. The code is even and greater than 70,000. So here people generally get confused. So we want it to be greater than 70,000. So either it will start with 7 or it will start with 8 or it will start with 9. Now the thing is, if it starts with 7 or 9, it can end with even number we want, right? So 5-digit code है पहले तो 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 ठीक है. So it can end either with 7 or 9. Sorry, it can start with either 7 or 9 ठीक है, or it can start with 8 ठीक है. If it is 7 and 9, then it's going to be 2p1. I have a choice of selecting 2p1. Here I can either put 2 4 6 and 8. So I have 4 choices. So out of that 4p1. Baki here there are 3. So how many are left? I think 9 and 7. So 7p3. Compulsory condition, so I'll multiply.
Sir, can you please let Himakshi in?
अरे यार.
Sir,
Hmm.
in the first case only can't we do 3p1 and 6 7
नहीं, because see, if it starts with 8, then end में we just have option 2 4 and 6. That's why. Here it becomes different, na? That's why we'll have to consider 2 cases.
How did you do this one because this divisible by 5?
Last में just put 5, so 1p1, बाकी anything I can put, so 8p4. Okay? यही सबसे मेन है that if it is 70,000 greater than 70,000, so there are 2 choices we have. Either it's going to be 7 9 or it's going to be 8. ठीक है, 7 9 or 8. We have to consider 2 separate conditions, because if it starts with 7 9, it can end with 2 4 6 8. 4 numbers it can end with. But if it starts with 8, there are only 3 choices at the end. So here it's going to be 3p1, here 1p1, and बाकी rest 3 पे तो you can put anything. 7p3. And both the conditions are fine, so we'll add it. ठीक है. बाकी हाँ, ये मस्त क्वेश्चन लगा था मुझे. दिस इज़ आवर लास्ट क्वेश्चन ऑफ ड्राइव पे. इसको मैंने मार्क भी किया एज अ डिफरेंट क्वेश्चन, डिफ़िकल्ट क्वेश्चन. ट्राई करना, सनसेट वाला याद रखना. ये लेटेस्ट है, मतलब ये 21 का है, मई 21. अभी नहीं कर सकता मैं, आई हैव अ क्लास. यार सही में इतने जल्दी